And with all of that said, let's now get right into this tutorial, guys. As I said today, I will show you how to make money online on YouTube, and I will show you exactly what types of videos you will want to create. So you won't be creating videos on just about anything. There's a specific niche you want to focus on that is very popular, and would thus allow you to get big numbers of views, but without having a lot of subscribers or any subscribers to begin with. The YouTube channel I talked about briefly in the intro that is making $20,000 a month on YouTube is this one right here. It's called Asa, and as you can see, it has over 1 million subscribers on YouTube, so it's fair to say they're quite popular. They owe that popularity quite a bit to the fact that they are uploading videos in an extremely popular niche. As you can see on here, you can find videos about various celebrities, casts of certain popular TV shows or movies and so on, and these types of videos get a lot of attention. As you can see, the most popular videos on this channel all got millions of views. You have 10 million views for both of these, 8 million for these two videos here, around 7 million views for these next two videos and so on. These are some big numbers, most definitely. And the main reason for that is that everyone wants to know what some celebrity is doing, especially if that celebrity was part of a cast of their favorite TV show or movie. Imagine recording a video on a TV show as a Game of Thrones, for example. It's almost certain you'll get big numbers of views, perhaps not a lot if you are just starting, but I can guarantee you that you will get some attention, and so it means that creating videos in a niche like this is a perfect option for a beginner who won't have any big numbers of subscribers. It's not just the popularity that's important though. The videos themselves are not hard to make, believe it or not, and more importantly than that is the fact that nobody is showing their face on camera. As an example to show you what I'm talking about here, I opened up this video titled Friends Cast. Where are they now? And if I were to play the video, you would see that as promised, nobody is showing their face indeed. Furthermore, the video itself is not that complex or whatever. It consists of three things: a voiceover, music in the background for some videos, and lastly, the footage. Obviously, the footage itself is the awesome part. These images or videos that you will see on this video were found online. It's not like you have to pay some site like Storyblocks to acquire them, and it also means that it's not hard to create such a video. Making a video compiled of images and videos are very easy to do. Before we go on, I do have to show you how much money we are talking about here. I did mention 14 lakh a month prior, and you can see on Social Blade that it is indeed the case. According to Social Blade, the owner makes between 1.5 lakh and 29 lakh a month. Since this is a broad estimate, you can estimate the amount of money made quite accurately at the middle of those two extremes, which would be around $20,000 or so, which is not bad at all considering the work that is put in to make the videos.
And so with all of that said, guys, let me now cover all of the things you would need to do to create one of these videos. You would first need to think of what kind of video you want. And you can for sure use this channel here as inspiration. See what kinds of videos they are making, which ones get the most views, and create a video similar to their own. Alternatively, you can just make a video on perhaps a TV show you like personally that is also popular as the aforementioned Game of Thrones, which would not only make it interesting to create the actual video, but you would also inevitably get a lot of views, so it's a win-win for you. Anyhow, now that you know what video you want, next comes the research. So you want to do research on the topic first. Say you want to make a video about the cast of Game of Thrones, you can just search for the different members of the TV show on Google, and you would get an abundance of information that you can use for your new video.
From there, you would need a voiceover, and here you guys have two options. Record the voice yourself, which is what I would recommend, or pay someone on a specific freelancing platform to do it for you. If you opted for the first option, you want to download a software called Audacity and then record your voice with it. It's free to download, so you won't be investing anything, and on top of that, it's really good all around. If you decided to pay someone to do the voice for you, I would recommend using Upwork.com. From my experience, it seems to be by far the best platform to find freelancers who will do the work for you for really cheap, much cheaper than on Fiverr.com and other sites. So just go over to this website and try to find someone to do the voice for you. From there, now that you have the voice, you need the footage, and for this, you would once again be using Google.com, but also YouTube.com. You can easily find videos of the different cast members of a certain TV show on YouTube. And on Google Images, you can find photos of the same people, and you want to download both of them to use as footage in your video. By the way, if some of you want to use music in your video, you can just type into YouTube copyright-free music to find songs that you can download and use for free in your video, but with no copyright infringement, meaning that you would be able to make money from the ad revenue. The last piece of the puzzle now is a video editing software to combine all of those into your new video. You can just type into Google best free video editing software, and you would be able to find many of them that you can use for free without having to invest a dime. Keep in mind that while these won't be sophisticated and won't have that many features, since they are free after all, you don't need a complex software to just combine a voice, footage, and perhaps music into a new video. Perhaps later on you can buy Sony Vegas or something, but starting, you definitely won't need such software. Once you combine all of the footage and render your video, you can just upload it onto YouTube. And I guarantee you guys, if you stay persistent, upload regularly, at least once a week, and you make sure your videos are somewhat of good quality, you would eventually start getting some decent numbers because, as I said before, the niche you will be recording videos in is insanely popular, and so success is near guaranteed if you keep at it. If you want to check out some of my other videos for more strategies to make big money online, then be sure to click on the ones that will pop up on the screen in just a moment. And if you like this particular video and got value out of it, then smash the like button down below in appreciation. And since I upload daily, then don't miss out on the new content and subscribe with notifications on, and you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in some of the upcoming videos.